Climbing on me like?
What?
Like a what?
Say, I was climbing on you like a...
What?
Like what?
Say it. Say it. What were you doing?
But you were.
What were you doing?
Here, let me come over here. How do you do it? What is this? What does it do? Oh! Wait, like that?
No.
Like what? Show me. Show me.
You have to bend over.
Like a branch. Oh, like that. What are you? No. What are you doing? What are you doing?
He's holding on.
You're hanging on like a sloth?
The sloth has big claws and he holds them onto the branches of the tree, right? Yeah.
Good man.
And this is how
Yeah, they're upside down.
down.
They hang upside down.